Lucretia Lee Roberts. On behalf of the Garden Club of Stuart, I'm delighted to present this $250 Judge's Choice Award for Gardening. This award goes to a school in Martin County that has done a great job of establishing and maintaining school gardens and incorporating them into the curriculum. We're excited to announce that this year's award goes to Port Salerno Elementary. Port Salerno takes gardening seriously. Grades 1st through 3rd each have their own vegetable garden, and there's several other garden spaces on campus, including 2 hydroponic gardens, multiple butterfly gardens, and a reading garden, featuring native plants and special spaces for students to read with their reading buddies from another grade. All classes are on a rotation schedule through the science lab to take an active role in maintaining the gardens, and curriculum is focused around these initiatives. The Science Lab incorporates lessons from Florida agriculture in the classroom for all grade levels. Younger students use butterfly gardens to make observations and create a butterfly life cycle book, while older students report butterfly sightings to Journey North, a citizen science initiative to track migration and seasonal change. Congratulations, Port Salerno Sharks, on these exemplary gardening efforts.